Good evening, guys. Congratulations to the, of course, to my team Lakers for winning Game 3. Lakers! Boston! Sorry! 2-1. Okay, now
4-2 Celtics.
4-2 Celtics in your dreams. What were we going to?
Wait. How about the New Jersey Nets?
Oh!
No.
Grizzlies.
Oh, Memphis, sorry.
Oh,
Memphis Grizzlies.
Good
Oh,
game,
up and coming
good
team.
game.
Of
Memphis.
course.
But he's a free agent, He might
Oh.
join.
Oh, yes.
He might join the Lakers to win. Oh, they will all be games.
And-
Opening ano?
Amaris gonna opt out of his contract.
Yes.
0809.
Oh, wait. What are we going to open?
5 cases of 0809.
There.
How about this one?
Here.
Wait, and then 2 cases of...
2 cases of the 0506, the Chris Paul year.
And...
And an 0304, the LeBron year. Hopefully, we'll get something nice here, ha?
LeBron RC Wolves hurt.
Yung ano mo na ba? Ito?
What?
Ano yung binuksan mo? Ito mo na?
Hindi, let's start with the plenty. The 0809. Or would you like to start with the 0304? We'll start.
Let's
We'll
start
first, we'll open the, while,
Oh,
while Uncle Sam is opening the 0304.
Why Uncle Sam?
Uncle Sam. He's part owner of the United States.
Can I borrow?
Part owner of the United States.
Uncle Sam. Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're opening all the cases
Can
at
you
the same
open?
time.
Oh, okay. I will
Oh,
open.
okay. So let's start with 0304. Of
Okay,
course,
I will open.
we can't wait anymore.
0304 first?
Ah, LeBron.
Stephen
you
Marbury.
Uy, RC.
Who's that? Who's
Oh,
that?
Michael.
Oh, nice patch.
Losers.
Unfortunately.
Kevin
Uy,
Garnett.
Uy. Is that what is
No,
that?
T-Wolves. Gold.
Gold card,
Gold trade. Oh, yeah, number 225.
No, another
Oh.
Kevin Garnett.
Oh,
Oh, KG again.
Still with the Wolves,
Mhm.
Then a extra exquisite of... Oh my God, he's always with us.
Oh, T-Mac.
T-Mac is still
T-Mac.
with Magic. Okay, next pack.
Yes, there's the star of the Orlando Magic.
Yeah. Next.
Jason
Jason
Terry,
Terry.
still with the Hawks at that time.
Wow.
Come on, LeBron. Oh, no.
Oh, shit, who's
Oh,
this?
goodness,
Kabar
he's not,
Kappa?
he's not playing anymore in the
Kabar
NBA.
Kappa, is that not playing anymore?
Kabar Kappa.
Oh, I think this
who's
is...
that?
Numbered pieces.
Oh.
Michael Jordan?
Oh,
Patrick
Patrick
Ewing.
Uy, ganda.
What's the number?
24 of 33.
Oh,
Three-color
it's
patch.
the jersey number of Kobe. Very significant.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Significant.
Limited
pull.
logo.
Oh, limited.
Oh, who's that?
Jordan.
No, Stojakovic.
Oh,
Oh, Stojakovic.
Ba't ganun sa gilid?
I remember it's
Why is there
from,
space?
from the All-Star.
From
I
All-Star.
remember that before.
And a Steve
then-
Nash
Jersey.
jersey, who is
Okay.
when he was still with Dallas.
With Dallas.
Okay, and the last pack, I opened that already for you.
Why is it white? Oo nga pala.
And this one always just 5 cards.
Oo nga.
Ah, yes. No
Tagtipid
bonuses
siya
yet.
No bonuses, huh? Maybe we will get something bonus there, in that last pack.
Might be.
Something nice.
LeBron.
LeBron, come on.
Wait.
LeBron.
Oh,
Carmelo.
Wait.
here eh.
Oh, who's
Oh,
that?
Mo Williams.
It's the sidekick.
The sidekick. It's only the Robin.
Ah.
No Batman.
Oh, limit.
Next. Oh, what's
this?
that?
No.
Number pieces.
Number pieces. Oh. Oh.
Black and...
Oh, Bill Russell!
Oh, 6 of 6!
6 of 6! Oh, my God!
jersey number!
Oh!
I didn't
Look
know
at
it.
that!
They
Look,
had the Bill
look.
Russell there.
6 of 6 number piece. The very first number piece.
Wow.
0304. Look at that. Wow.
Wow, 6 of 6.
That's all I can say. Like a
Oh my
horse.
God.
Oh no, goodness.
Sam Cassell.
ET phone home. Ah, no, my
Wow.
precious.
2 legends, huh?
And another
And a-
numbered. Oh,
It's raining Garden.
Kevin
Bill
Garnett,
Garnett
huh?
again,
Not bad, huh?
Wait.
We look at that.
The highlight of the break.
The two. Huh?
Oh, look,
Ewing.
almost the same pose.
Yeah. Look. Ewing.
but there's a difference. One is a winner, one is a loser.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
And one is 6 of 6. Huh?
Yes. And the other...
Jersey number over jersey number, that's a 1 of 1.
6 over 6 equals...
One.
2.
1.
2. Why 2? No.
Yeah.
Alright. Not bad. Not bad.
Wait. Mr. Gay, can you put it there?
The Bill Russell alone, ha? The Bill Russell alone is sick, ha?
I hope the
No, you put it in. You put it here. Yeah, carry only.
Baka sagi.
You put it there, you put it there.
I hope the 08, 09 are the
What's
last
that?
the new ones that they came out
Okay,
with.
so we'll
We'll end with the 2 cases of the
05, 06.
05, 06.
Okay.
Maple Boost.
No, that's just Anthrax.
Anthrax.
Boss.
Wala.
Who's that? Derrick Rose?
Sabo.
Chabo
Chabo.
Colosio.
Oh my God.
Oh, Garnett
Garnett.
again.
Garnett? Why?
Because he played very well
just
today.
Gonna be a
Choker.
champion.
Yes, another back champion again.
Champion, Garnett.
Walter Sharp.
Ray Ray is the one who choked earlier.
Oh,
Greg
yeah,
Oden.
Choker, Ray Allen, ha? Don't get any
Who's
Ray
that?
Allen.
Garnett.
Oh,
Who's that?
no.
Oh, Jason Thompson.
Oh.
I was thinking Tyreek. Hindi
Yeah,
pa pala.
yeah.
Wala pa.
This is, he was still in college.
And no autograph for Tyreek. in the
Yes,
exhibition.
unfortunately.
Next. Okay.
Ryan
goal.
Anderson.
Ryan Anderson.
Oy, it's a dual.
Dual what?
Jan Havlicek.
And Bill Russell.
And Bill
Yeah.
Russell. Oh, you're fast, huh?
You're
Nice,
fast,
I
ha?
saw the
Yes.
autograph
Magaling.
from the left side.
Very good bamboso.
Yes.
Bosorero.
Piki.
Bosorero. Prime patch. No, it's a gold of
Tony Parker.
Tony
Tony
Parker.
And TJ Ford.
Bosorero, ha? Bill Russell, ha? He's coming out of town.
He's coming out.
Oh,
He's coming out. He's gay.
Raining Garnett. Oh no, Shane Battier.
Oh,
Why?
shame.
It's a shame.
And
Oy,
Russell
nice.
Westbrook.
Russell Westbrook.
Rookie, I think this is.
Yeah, that's a rookie year. Rookie insert.
Oh, yeah, rookie.
autograph.
Rookie year insert.
Oh, and then a JJ Hickson.
No,
Roy Hibbert.
Roy Hibbert.
Roy Hibbert.
Roy Hibbert Bautista.
Bakit si J. Hickson?
Quezon City
Bababa.
Mayor.
Oh!
J.R. Giddens.
Oh,
my
why are you wearing the
God,
Paul
throwback
Pierce's
of Jerry
jersey?
Giddens. Oh.
Why is he wearing number 34?
No, this is the throwback.
Throwback.
Yes, so why is he?
He is representing Paul Pierce.
What?
Oh, 34.
Yes.
That's the number of Paul Pierce.
Bargnani. Ano yung
And?
throwback of? Brook Lopez. Oh, not bad, not
Brook
bad.
Lopez is good, ha?
Wearing 32 of,
New York. Sino sa New York?
no, that's supposed to be, no, Julius
Irving.
Irving.
Ano
Yes.
oras?
When he was still at Nets.
7:45.
Hindi.
Josh.
Timer.
Oo nga.
7:45. So kaya yung dalawang isang case na.
Darrell
Oh.
Arthur.
Uy, I thought
Oh,
it
I
was
thought it's OJ
OJ.
Mayo. Yeah.
Hindi man paso yung mga yan, di ba? Redemption.
Hindi, wala.
Autographs, exquisite number to 35.
Disney.
Gerard Wallace.
Oh,
Oh
my God.
Oh, almost stabbing yourself.
Oh.
Ano talaga to, no?
Uy,
Uy.
what's that? Jermaine O'Neal?
Jermaine
There's,
O'Neal, noble nameplate.
Ngayon
See,
tayo
there-
nakakuha yata
That's
niya.
the first time we put.
There are new like
Oh,
that,
Russell
eh.
Westbrook.
Oy.
Oh, very nice.
Look at that. Very nice. Plenty of breaks, huh?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 breaks.
Nice.
Not bad.
This is Paul Pierce, regular card.
That's
And-
gold of
Tony
Good,
Parker
Tony
again.
Parker.
Yep.
And
Nothing good yet, ah.
Mhm.
si ano.
gold.
Jason
Jason
Thompson.
Thompson.
Okay,
nice
gold of
patch.
Jason Thompson.
Ah, gold.
Gold.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Then a Julius, what? Oh,
Brandon Roy. Flawless.
Flawless.
Regular Michael Red.
And the
Then
redemption.
Dwight Howard.
And a
Logoman. Redemption.
A Logoman Redemption.
Exquisite dual autograph jersey numbered to 5.
Uy, ganda yan.
Tracy McGrady and Vince
Oh,
Carter.
the cousins.
Oh, the Suckers!
Yes.
Chokers.
Stop
Oh,
na stop.
wow, okay.
Chokers!
We will go to our...
We go to
Talk to a commercial break.
Yeah.